guys, how's it going? This is the kitchen party with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is matcha and lilac jelly muffins. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So this is 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a generous pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of matcha powder. Just mix this. This is half cup of lilac jelly that we made the other day. We're gonna mix it with the eggs. Half cup of lilac jelly, 2 eggs, and half cup of milk. We're just gonna process it until completely combined. Now put it into wet ingredients and mix until just combined. Grease the pan and divide batter like so. Now we're gonna bake it for 18 minutes on preheated 400 Fahrenheit. Rinse and dry a couple of florets. Take out from the oven and brush the top with lilac jelly. Press the flour.